Good day, everyone. Wherever you are watching from, you are welcome to Brainbox Learning Consult online platform. Today, we'll be talking about multiplication of binaries. For some time, we'll be talking about binaries, and we've treated addition and subtraction of binaries. So you might want to check out those videos and get those teaching. So for today, we'll be talking about multiplication of binaries. To multiply binaries is very straightforward. You know that for every long multiplication, it goes together with addition. So the first thing we do is that we multiply. After the whole multiplication process, we add to get our final value. So this is to tell you that you have to know the addition rules of binary. So you can check out our previous video on that and learn how to add binaries. So quickly, let's go to the examples. Two examples have been outlined for our teaching today. So you have to follow through. 1, 0, 1 times 1, 1. So 1 times 1, we have 1. 1 times 0, we have 0. 1 times 1, we have 1. 1 times 1, we have 1. You are going to start from here, just the way you do your long multiplication. 1 times 0, we're having 0. 1 times 1, we're having 1. So at this stage, we are going to add. So this is 1 here. 0 plus 1, that is 1. This will also give us 1. And this is 1. Simple. 1, 1, 0. Then we're having 1, 0, 1. So we're multiplying that. 1 times 0, that's 0. 1 times 1, that's 1. 1 times 1, that's 1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 0, 0 times 1, 0. 0 times 1, 0. 0 times 1, 0. 1 times 0 is 0. You can see that when we started with this, our answer started from here. When we started with 0, our answer started from directly under that 0. When we started with 1, we started directly under 1. So just the way you do in your long multiplication, same way here. So 1 times 0 gives us 0. 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 1, 1. Sorry, let me clean this off. Okay, 1 times 1, that will be 1. So with this we can add up. So that's 0. That's 1. This will give us 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Plus 1 is 10. Please follow the rules, addition rules of binary. If you don't know it, please go and watch our previous videos. 1 plus 1 and 0 is 1, plus 1 is 10. So we put down 0, we'll carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus that 1. Another one, we are having 10. Put that 0, you carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 10, and that's the last number. So this is the answer. So you can see that multiplication of binary actually goes with the addition of binary. So if you follow this through, please do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos, follow our pages on Facebook and Instagram. Support our hard work so that when we drop any videos, you'll be the first to get notification. Till I come your way next time, I am Mr. Maro, and this is Brainbox Learning Consult, where everyone is a genius. Thanks for watching.